with all I am. To your hands I commit to give with all I am to you, Lord. You